Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Muhammad Aziz as the Scrum leader, as the Scrum Master for Ketupat Labs. So for our Scrum daily meeting for today, I want to know what is the progress for our Sprint 2. So, Rauda, can tell me?
So I will share the screen first. Okay, can you guys see? So for the first sprint, what I did is basically complete the first use case, which is view performance. So I managed to put all of the codings, the PHP into Laravel, and the database. I have created the database here in PHP admin. Okay. So for the next sprint, what I'm struggling is to create view progress. Just that I don't know how to manage the database into the PHP code. So I'm going to fix that part. And also I'm going to change the third use case into manage activity use case where I'm going to add like calendar where I can add due dates and all that. So for Jira, okay, the first use case, the first user story I've completed. And that's why right now the one I'm doing is the KL32 and KL33. So that is all from me.
Okay, so next is Pavani.
So for my progress for today, I've successfully converted the previous use case from PHP to the Laravel framework, including database migrations. So the screen and functions are exactly the same, but now they're on Laravel. And next, moving on with the sprint, I will create a new view where teachers can view class details and students. So far, there are no challenges that would affect my work going.
Okay, thank you, Pavani. Now, let's hear from Ang Chun Wei.
All right, so today I'm Ang and I'm going to present my part. Let me share the screen. All right, so for the Laravel, I've already done the landing page, which is right now you can see as I share the screen. So basically, right now I'm just integrate the landing page and the login page into the Laravel. And what I've done for my part is the forum. The forum, I've done the forum main page, which you can see right now because there's no user, there's no data in it, so it will be blank right now. So you can create a forum. You can create a forum with this form, and after you create, it will pop up in the main page. And after you have created the forum, you can create a post within a forum. So you can, as a text post, you can upload an attachment and or link or poll. For this select forum is which forum you are going to post in. So for the forum detail page will be right as you see in the share screen. And that's all for my part. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. And now I'm going to present for my part. So what I've done is I've implemented my Sprint 1 into Sprint 1. I did my module in regular PHP. For now, for Sprint 2, for these 2 weeks, I already implemented it in Laravel and I've linked with database. So as you can see here, I can register and log in. The interface, I will be changing it to the landing page from Anjunwei. So here is the dashboard for the teachers and the teacher view. As you can see here, there's the manage lesson where I can create lessons, view lessons, which I can view and upload pictures and materials. And also there's a submission here to submit and drop files. For the next week, I'm going to implement more from my module and finishing off the user story of KL 158, 159, and 165 for Sprint 2. So that's all from me. Okay. Now let's hear from Tay.
Okay. Uh, okay. I'll share. Wait, yeah. Some, what I do last week, I have already connected the database. So here is the table here. So a lot of the table here is the default from the Nodavia, like cache, job batch, migration with all default. So the table I create is like a human, a user, and something like a user in class. So this table that I create. So the user here we got S because like this is the like something like default system or for the Laravel framework also. If I want to change it to singular like user without S, it will be very complex. So by default the system will read like user plus S. So identify it as a table to record the user data. So I think right now I will not change. So we can see here I have created a person here. Say example. So my role is teacher. So we have two roles, teacher and also student. So this is the database I create, the table, and this is the user that I create. Okay, so save here. So the last week I do upload document if we do. So this ignore this one. So it's not the name of our system. Later I will change. So we can look at the functional part here. We can choose file. The function is okay actually. Like new file here, so we can upload it. So it's already here, and the size of the file, and all this the PDF, DOS, PDS is acceptable. So everything about the this it can function, but as you can see the UI here is still not good. My back end is okay, but the front end is I don't know connect. I I will try to solve this one because the week two part here. So G lah, wait Wi-Fi stable. Okay, so the the but okay, without Jira, I also know like during Spring 2, I will going to do if I doesn't get wrong, I'm going to do module is like last question. So AI chatbot. So that is the thing or the function that I need to do during a Spring 2. So the problem I face is like this one. The front end cannot connect to the back end. So we can see it functional, but the UI is not beautiful. So I try to fix that. The problem like last week I already faced, I already solved that. I connected to server, connected to database, I already solved it. So this is a problem that I think I can solve it tonight or if we are I can solve it and I will try to do the like features asking question. So that's all from me.
Okay, thank you. Okay, finally we go to Shafina.
Okay, I'll be presenting my progress for Sprint 2, which focus on use case 018, the view pages features. And this sprint is mainly about allowing students to view all the pages. they earn are currently working toward or have to unlock. And then what I have done so far is in this sprint is I developed my badge that can be accessed directly from the student dashboard. And I designed the interface to display the badges in three categories. No, three categories like four, five, four. Four and one is all badges. And then if we claim, it will change from tebus to telah tebus. And then I also add a visual indicators like colors, icon, and differentiate between earn and lock, which is tebus and telah tebus. Green for tebus and gray for telah tebus. And finally, I make sure that where a student earns a new badges, the list update dynamically without needing to refresh the page. And then, what I'm currently doing is focusing on improving the sorting and filtering function. So user can view badges by category. So this is my Jira, which is I about to do the sprint 2, and for now I just want coding, and they have no result for now. Okay. I will be finalize the user acceptance testing to ensure that all acceptance criteria are met, especially to smooth transition and real-time updates of pages. And then one of main challenge I faced was handling the dynamic updates when new pages are earned, ensuring the page update instantly without a full reload, which is I also encounter some issues with displaying data consistently from back-end to the front end, and which required debugging and optimize the API calls. And another challenge was design the UI to make it both visually appealing and user-friendly. And for summary, Sprint 2 allow me to bring the best system to life, which is making student achievement more visible and motivating. And I'm now refining and testing it before moving the next switches. Thank you.
Okay. So that's all from us, Ketupat Lab, and thank you.